Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Cooking with Alex video. I just like to hang out with you guys while I cook. I don't know, these videos are really fun to me. I've been incorporating more kind of cooking and food on my channel over the last few months, even in the vlogs. I've just been loving to cook more and incorporate new healthy things into my meals, and I don't know, I just have a lot of fun, and I know that you guys really like these videos too. So maybe if you're cooking dinner or making lunch or doing a mukbang at home, you can watch this video and hang out with me. So I'm very excited. We're going to be doing another video with HelloFresh today. You guys know how much I love HelloFresh, and I'm really excited about today's meal that we're going to be making. So if you don't know about HelloFresh, I'll let you guys know quickly because you already know the drill. I'm going to go ahead and put my apron on while I'm chatting with you. I know my head's too fat for that little opening. So HelloFresh is awesome if you don't have time to always go to the grocery store or plan out your meals. So it's a weekly meal delivery service, but it's perfect the way they set this up because they just send you these little bags with all the ingredients for your meals, and they have so many options. Even if you're vegetarian, how many meals you want for the week, there's just a lot of options, so you don't have to, you know, worry about planning everything out because life gets so busy and sometimes you just don't have time to plan amazing meals. They have 2 licensed dietitians on board to make sure everything is well balanced, so you know you're getting lots of good nutritious meals. And I've said this before, but this has really helped me learn how to cook. I've taken so many of these little skills that I've learned from making these HelloFresh meals into other meals, into real life, and I really love that about HelloFresh. So we're just gonna cook and hang out today. I'm really excited. So everything comes, like I said, in these little bags. The one I'm gonna be making today is the Little Ears pasta, because I haven't had pasta in forever. And they make it super simple. What I love most is that each meal takes around 30 minutes. Your girl does not want to be in the kitchen for like hours. I just don't. As much as I love cooking, I really love a quicker system. So they make it super simple with these little cards for your meals. So this one has presto panko chicken, which sounds really good. Pesto, oh, I love pesto. I can't wait to make this another time. And that's how it's supposed to look on the front, which I usually try to go for. It's kind of like a challenge, so we'll see at the end if I can make it look like the picture. But then it has your step-by-step ingredients on the back, what you're gonna need, 2 baking sheets, like stuff like that. This is the one that I'm gonna make today, the Little Ears pasta with Italian pork sausage, broccoli, and pesto. Oh, this one has pesto too. Yes. Again, step-by-step instructions on the back. Bust out a large pot, a strainer, a large pan, and olive oil. And they give you everything else you need at home. And my last one for the week is meatloaf balsamico with sweet potato mash. They give you a little card with all your nutrition facts. Doesn't this just look so yummy? I don't know why it looks so good to me. Like all my favorite things. Pasta, broccoli, pork sausage, pesto. Yes, I'm actually really excited about this. It's just fun. It's just, oh, so much fun. So this is the 2-person, so it's perfect for me and Alan. Just the right amount of food. Even if you're on your own, I love the 2-person because then you have another meal to heat up for the next day. And these always heat up really well. Then we also have our sweet Italian pork sausage. And the meats also come separately in the bottom of the box. This is what the box looks like. I already took it out when I got it yesterday, but it's like insulated, so if you're coming home from like work or you have a long day, you don't have to worry about the food going bad. You don't have to worry about rushing home. It will make it. All right, so I am ready to go ahead and get to cooking. And HelloFresh was super cool and nice, and if you guys want to try this out, they're giving you guys $30 off your first week of deliveries. You guys can just use the link in the description box down below and the code FEARLESS30, all the info down there. I highly recommend. It always comes out to be around $10 per person per meal, so it's really an affordable option. And with that code, you guys can try it for the $30 off your first week. Another side note that I really love, because when you go grocery shopping, I cannot tell you how many times I've gone grocery shopping and I have like a very specific meal in mind. I have like a Pinterest recipe ready to go. and I look at the groceries and I buy everything, and literally there are things I will never use again. And it's like a big bag of this, a big bag of that, and I use like a tiny portion of it and then it just goes bad. It's like a waste of food. So the great thing about HelloFresh is they send you exactly the amount that you need, which is just phenomenal. Okay, so we have first here our orecchiette pasta. I'ma just pretend I said that right, but that's what it looks like. Looks like pasta. Then we have our broccoli florets. Can you tell I am not a chef? I know the word. I don't know if it's pronounced florets or florets. I know the word. I know the word. Here, and they're thoroughly washed already. Look how cute this is. Farm grown fresh basil pesto in this little container. Then we have our Parmesan. We have chili flakes. Again, the perfect amount because I would probably buy, you know, like a giant container of this and probably not use it again. And then our sweet Italian pork sausage. So it's not too much. Easy breezy. So what I like to do first is on the little section here where it tells you what to bust out. So we need a large pot, a strainer, a large pan, and olive oil. I like to have everything ready to go. So I have my strainer, a large pot. I actually just washed this. Your girl was prepared. I have my olive oil and I have my large pan already ready by the stove. I just like to like hang out and do this together. It's almost like a pre-mukbang because like sometimes you just want someone to eat with, but sometimes you just want someone to cook with. Ellen and I often do these together and it's really fun. It's a nice way to like have some quality time and just do a cute couples thing together. But right now he's at work and I want to have this ready when he gets home. So let's do this. This is the end goal. Wash and dry all produce. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Cut any large broccoli into bite-sized pieces and remove the sausage from casing. Oh, looks like we're gonna have to peel the casing off. That's new. So I know that it's gonna take a while to get the water to boil, so let's do that. All right, so I'm just gonna put this on the stove, get it to boil. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these into bite-sized pieces and then take the casing off of my sausage. This is kind of gross, but also like kind of satisfying. Ew. Like what? So I am now just working on the broccoli. We just have this in here steaming for a moment with olive oil, salt, and pepper. And I'm just gonna let this go ahead and get nice and soft, and then we're gonna brown them up. Pasta is done. Let's go and see over here. All right, so next we need to do is cook our sausage. We're gonna heat another drizzle of olive oil in the pan. We're gonna add the sausage, break it up into little pieces, add the chili flakes, and then we're gonna kind of toss everything together. So easy breezy. This one is really simple. All right guys, so meat is all finished cooking and now we're just gonna combine everything. Our meat is all good to go. I'm gonna throw our pasta in. Okay, the pasta got a little firm. Oh, okay, we're good, we're good. All right, pasta is in. We're gonna throw our broccoli in. I don't know if my pan is quite big enough. It's a little bit small, but you know what? It's definitely too small. All right, everything is a-okay. Everything is just fine. All right, so now we need to add in the chili flakes. Actually, I think I was supposed to do this before I put the other stuff in, but you know what? We already done messed that up, didn't we? Parmesan cheese. We're supposed to save a little bit of this to sprinkle on top when we're done, so we'll save a little bit. Not much is coming out right now. Okay. Pesto. I'm pretty sure we're supposed to use all of it for the whole thing. I mean, this is a lot of food. I love pesto. My mom makes the best pesto in my book. All right, I'm just gonna try to mix this all together without completely destroying it. Okay guys, exciting moment. Our food is done. I forgot to turn off the stove, okay. So I'm gonna remind you what the original dish looks like. I don't think we did that bad of a job. It looks pretty darn good if I do say so myself. It smells incredible, the pesto smells amazing. The broccoli looks amazing. I love that there's chili flakes. It's gonna be a little spicy. I threw a little extra Parmesan cheese on top. And this made a lot. This is probably like a third of the portion actually. So we'll definitely have leftovers. All right, get a little bite of everything. Gotta get a little sausage, a little broccoli. Okay. Still hot. Oh my god. This is 100% a dish you should recreate at home. That is so good. Oh my gosh. The pesto, the chili flakes, the cheese. I remember last time I did this, you guys actually recreated the meal I made last time. This one was really easy, so if you decide to recreate this, please tweet me. This is delicious, so simple, very minor ingredients, very easy to make. Barely took me any time at all. Even the broccoli is just incredibly flavorful. You know it's good when you dance. So, I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. Let me know if you're gonna try to recreate this or if you've tried HelloFresh before. Leave me a comment below. And don't forget, you guys can get $30 off your first week of deliveries with the code Fearless30 in the link down below. But thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.